Namaste kids. Let's see what do you mean by computer hardware and software. Now, a computer system consists of two major elements, hardware and software. Now, what do you mean by hardware? Hardware is the collection of all the parts you can physically touch. And software, on the other hand, is something you cannot touch. Or we can say that software is a set of instructions for a computer to perform specific operations. Now, let us compare it with our human body. Hardware is something which you can touch in your human body, like your eyes, like your nose, your mouth, your ears. Whereas the software, which you cannot touch, that is the internal part of the body, the liver, the stomach, the heart inside. So these are the organs which you cannot touch physically, but they are working well, right? So that is how I can compare it with the hardware and software. Now let's go for another one. What are the different hardware? You see that it's the keyboard, a monitor, a mouse, and a CPU. Now let's one by one see what are the operations of each one of them. I know it's easy for you, but a little bit description. Yeah, here it comes, the keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and functions into the computer system by pressing buttons or keys. It is a primary device used to enter text. It is used to type data and give instructions to the computer. Now let's go for another one, that is the monitor. So a monitor is an electronic visual display that includes a screen. Older monitors made use of cathode ray tubes, which made them very heavy. Nowadays we use LCD monitors like in laptops. PDAs and desktop computers because they are lighter and more energy efficient. It is also called an output device because we can see your children. We can type as well as we can draw pictures and view it. Now let's go for another one. Another one is the mouse. The mouse is an input device. It's a pointing device attached to the computer that controls the movement of cursor on the monitor. It allows user to click, double click and drag items on the screen. Now let's go for next one. Now this is system unit. It is the most important part of the computer. It has main part called microprocessor, which manages all the activities of the computer. All other parts are connected to the system unit through wires and cables. Now, the actual processing is done by the unit called the brain of the computer. So that's why CPU is called the brain of the computer. Now this you have seen in our labs, right? This is the entire computer system which takes input through the keyboard, stores it, processes it and displays the result on the monitor as per the instruction given. Main parts of CPU. Let's go for it. The main parts of the CPU are, let's go with the first one. You see there, it's a part of the CPU. Have you seen it? It is inside the CPU. Now this is called the memory unit. The memory unit stores information temporarily for the calculation. Now this storage is also known as registers. Registers are capable of storing some amount of data such as one word. Now if I want to save or store my data permanently, then I need a secondary storage device, that is a CD, a DVD, hard disk and the pen drive. So it permanently saves your data. Let's go with another one. So the another main part of the CPU is arithmetic and logical unit. That is the unit which performs all the arithmetic and logical operations. That is the calculation. Arithmetic operation means what? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc. And logical means anything which ends up with yes or no, or true or false. Did you have your milk? Yes or no. That's how. But we don't ask the computer, did you have milk? We ask some other decision making statements, which always results in yes or no. That's why it is called logical operation. Now the last one. The last one is the very main part. That is the CU, control unit. It manages all the operations through the parts of the other computer system. It controls all the operations. That's why it is called the control unit. So now, till here, I just told you about the hardware part of the computer system. Next time, I will tell you about the software. Thank you, kids. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected.